This report was on copyright infringement with photography. Many photographers today have to upload their work online to gain potential clients, which is where the issue with photographers' work and copyright comes in the picture. Copyright is a type of product or creation which gives the maker of a unique work certain rights. It applies to forms of creative and expressional work and gives the option for one to be credited for the work. Copyright infringement is when the reproduction of one's work occurs without getting permission from the creator of the work. Many people register their work because it comes with legal benefits. If something were to happen with copyright infringement, it cannot be taken to court unless registered. The major problem with copyright infringement is that we still abide to the same law today that was created in 1976. Technology had developed heavily since the law was created. Copyright has a close relationship to technology, which means as technology develops, the copyright laws should adapt to the new technologies. The copyright filings reached its highest amount in the year of 2018. The year of 2002 to 2005, the copyright infringement filings increased by a total of 3,413 filings. In the years of 2010 to 2018, the copyright infringement filings increased drastically to an amount of 4,176 filings. This chart shows that by 2018, there had been 6,209 cases filed, but according to the United States Copyright Office, only a total of 12 cases actually made it to court in 2018. The Copyright Act became effective in January of 1978, replacing all copyright laws beforehand. The Copyright Act of 1976 was created to protect intellectual property or original works. Copyright provides the owner with many things, such as the right to reproduce the work, to sell, perform the work, or display the work. The copyright in a work belongs to the author, but it can be granted to others under certain circumstances. Obviously, many photographers register their work, but for others, this is a process that may be challenging. According to the United States Copyright Office, the cost to register one photograph is about $35. This may not seem like much, but when there is a photographer wanting to register a couple hundred photographs, it adds up. This is a major problem standing between photographers and protecting their work. The problem with copyright infringement and photographers is the fact that the price is so high to register a work, and some don't have the funds to support this. Many photographers capture tons of images daily, and if they were to register all of their work, they would be left with no money. The ultimate solution to start avoiding copyright infringement would also be to create a one-year plan for one full realistic price. Rather than a photographer paying $35 per photograph registered, they could sign up for a one-year plan for the price of, say, $500 with a limit of 1,000 photos to be registered within that year. If a photographer would register 1,000 photographs for the price of $35 each, that would equal out to about $35,000. And no photographer has that kind of money just to register photographs.